right?
Yeah.
We showed our Christmas present.
Yeah, we got these ladders. He loves climbing
Yeah,
them.
he loves.
So we got an idea.
Okay,
so basically, this is basically a cat house, and then we got an idea, like bird house. Because he climbs ladders,
Okay.
and he likes being very tall. If he likes very, very tall,
Let me
go over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because birds like going high.
So Jack likes these ladders, and this one he climbs like that and that and that. And sometimes if he likes this way, he can go in his house. He sometimes naps here a lot, actually. And then he goes up there and there and there. And then sometimes we put his food bowl here, and then he eats it.
Yeah. So then when he like he loves that place the most. Then sometimes he go down and play with this Jingle Bell toy. Most he doesn't see that, so we have to let him make him see that. And then he goes there, walk, and then same thing what my brother said. He goes nap, comes up here, but this is different. He goes down to come in bed, right?
Yeah.
And because he always go there because birds like go high. Yeah. So yeah, he loves this.
Roll the clips in 3, 2, 1, go. He really loves it.
Yeah, he loves.
And
He's a lover.
my mom really loves him too. And that's why she's gonna get him toys. And we're gonna,
really colorful. And
Yeah.
and one video we're gonna put her in.
yeah, we're gonna put a video of the toys too.
Yeah, it's gonna be really fun. It's put a big thumbs up, put that little button on,
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Hi, subscribe. Yeah. And
And
put all the
did you say-
notifications.
I never know.
Notifications on. No.
Notification.
Notification.
And
Okay, I'm just gonna go stay. Yeah, I understand that.
and party. Let's go.
Okay. Okay, you had